The Amazon affiliate program on YouTube is a powerful way to monetize your content and tap into a vast audience. With the explosive growth of video content, leveraging YouTube for affiliate marketing has become an increasingly effective strategy. In this article, we'll explore how you can effectively use the Amazon affiliate program on YouTube, along with tips to maximize your earnings and incorporate similar keywords to enhance your reach. What is the Amazon affiliate program? The Amazon affiliate program, also known as Amazon Associates, allows content creators to earn commissions by promoting Amazon products. When someone clicks on your unique affiliate link and makes a purchase, you earn a percentage of the sale. This program is free to join and offers a vast array of products to promote, making it an attractive option for many content creators. Why use YouTube for Amazon affiliate marketing? Amazon affiliate marketing on YouTube is particularly effective due to YouTube's vast reach and high engagement. Here are some key benefits. High engagement: videos can capture attention more effectively and keep viewers engaged longer. Visual demonstrations: showing products in use can increase trust and conversion rates. Broad reach: with the right SEO strategies, your videos can reach a global audience. Getting started with the Amazon affiliate program on YouTube. Step 1: sign up for the Amazon affiliate program. To get started, visit the Amazon Associates website and sign up. You'll need to provide details about your YouTube channel and how you plan to promote Amazon products. Step 2: set up your YouTube channel. If you don't already have a YouTube channel, create one. Optimize your channel by creating a compelling channel name, reflect your niche or brand. Designing a professional banner and logo, make your channel visually appealing. Writing an informative channel description, include relevant keywords and explain your channel. Creating effective content for the Amazon affiliate program on YouTube. Types of content. To succeed with Amazon affiliate marketing on YouTube, focus on creating high-quality content that provides value to your audience. Here are some effective content types. Product reviews: offer honest and detailed reviews of products. Unboxing videos: showcase new products and your initial impressions. How-to guides: demonstrate how to use a product or solve a problem. Comparison videos: compare similar products to help viewers make informed decisions. Tips for high-quality videos: invest in good equipment. Use a decent camera and microphone for clear video and audio. Plan your content, script your videos to ensure you cover all important points. Engage your audience, ask questions, encourage comments, and respond to viewers. Integrating affiliate links. Incorporate your affiliate links seamlessly by including links in descriptions. Add your Amazon affiliate links in the video description. Using overlays and annotations. Highlight links within the video without being intrusive. Creating compelling CTAs, encourage viewers to check out the links for more information. YouTube affiliate marketing tips for the Amazon affiliate program. To rank well on YouTube, optimize your videos for search engines. Here's how. Keyword research: use tools like Google Keyword Planner or TubeBuddy to find relevant keywords. Optimize titles: include your primary keyword in the video title. For example, how to use the Amazon affiliate program on YouTube. Detailed descriptions: write comprehensive descriptions with secondary keywords. Tags: add relevant tags to help YouTube understand your content. Thumbnails: create eye-catching thumbnails to increase click-through rates. Promoting your YouTube videos. Promotion is crucial to gaining visibility. Here are some strategies. Social media sharing: share your videos on platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Engaging with your community: participate in forums, groups, and communities related to your niche. Collaborations: partner with other YouTubers to reach a broader audience. Making money with Amazon on YouTube. Use YouTube Analytics to track your performance. Focus on metrics like watch time, the total time viewers spend watching your videos. Audience retention, how much of your video people watch. Click-through rate, center, How often viewers click on your video when it appears in search results. Based on this data, adjust your content strategy. Experiment with different types of content, titles, and thumbnails to see what resonates best with your audience. Common mistakes to avoid. Over-promoting products, focus on providing value rather than just selling. Not disclosing affiliate links, always disclose when you use affiliate links to maintain trust. Neglecting video quality, poor quality videos can turn viewers away. Conclusion. Using the Amazon affiliate program on YouTube is a powerful way to monetize your content and provide value to your audience. You can build a successful affiliate marketing strategy by creating high-quality videos, optimizing for SEO, and actively promoting your content. Start your journey today and unlock the potential of affiliate marketing on YouTube.